I wanted to get a gift for someone I know who plays Pokemon Go, so I asked them, "What's your favorite Pokemon?" And they told me Shuckle, which, are you sure? There's not much merchandise if you're into one of these more obscure Pokemon, so I decided to make a Pokemon Go bag by scratch for this person. So I ordered some ribbon. The company seems to print a lot of wedding ribbons, but I just sent them this image and this is what I got. I started by drawing out a double H shape, and this would be the shape for the actual bag itself. This is a really common outline when you're making pencil cases, but I just kind of adjusted the lengths to make it a small messenger bag. So along this H, I measured and cut little pieces of ribbon, and then I just used needles to actually pin them into the cardboard to keep them in place. I found I didn't actually like this green color, so I pulled all that out and just reworked it with the black, the blue, and the orange ribbons themselves. So when I was happy with the layout, I put down tape and stickers to hold all the ribbon pieces in place before transferring it to a sewing machine and then sewing all the edges around it. I got just a regular zipper, and then I was able to remove all the tape from the ribbons now that they were sewed in place, pin on the zipper and attach it, which then when I turned it inside out, it's now starting to actually look like a bag. Using just some cotton fabric, I cut and sewed a lining for the inside of the bag. And then I just hand stitched the lining into the inside of the bag so that it wouldn't come out. On each side of the bag, I added these small key rings attached with little pieces of ribbon, and then these are to hold the strap on. So the strap itself, I folded the ribbon in half and then I looped it through one of the key rings, and then I sewed little stripes about an inch apart. So this makes the shoulder strap slightly adjustable that you can change the length.